Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to the Blue Bike and Doors channel as we go for a little motorcycle ride up to Cartersville, Georgia to Southern Devils, Harley-Davidson for their first of the year social sting. So, yeah, let's do that. Roll that intro. Alright, folks, welcome back to the Blue Bike and Doors channel. We ride up to Cartersville. Roads are a little damp, so I gotta put it in damp road mode. I just told my wrist, don't get on it too hard. The roads are still damp. So, how your mama and them? So yeah, they do a social sting like I don't know how many times a year they do it, but this is like the first one, and it says something about give you information on the ride challenge. So I don't know, maybe we'll do a ride challenge. You know what I forgot to do? Turn that damn app on. If it made it easier, just check your mileage, and then when you check in, check your mileage again. Okay, you did it. Because I forget to turn the dang thing on. Well, Lucille says it's 46.4 degrees. Supposed to warm up to what is it called? Supposed to warm up to like 55, mid-50s. So it's not too bad. Sun's out, so that feels pretty good. Rain last night. That's why the roads are still down this morning. Oh, might be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It was a good day in the hood. Don't you do it? Don't you do it? Yeah. He was fixing to. She was. She kept easing up there. So Cartersville is about 50-something miles, give or take a mile. What am I doing here? I don't know, but my knees are cool. Knee says it's cooler than 44 degrees. It'd be alright. It's just the dampness in the air. Big Swamp. Nope, we're gonna do it. No, I don't want to go to Big Swamp there anymore. Not anymore. Southern Devil is calculate. I know which way I'm going, but probably not the 57 miles, give or take. Alright, well, see you when we get there, I guess. Maybe not. I'm gonna tell you about, I'm gonna do a shout out, because I ain't did a shout out in a while. Well, they probably don't need a shout out from me, because for what, they ain't 1,000 yet, but they getting there. Some of their views are getting thousands of views on one video. I was like, wow, just to ride to smoke cigars and drink whiskey. They ride some roads that I already rode. Yeah, Freedom on 2. He's down Dallas somewhere. Dallas, Georgia, that is. Got a road glide. Don't he? Yeah, he got a road glide. Had a road king. Yeah, he got a road glide. He's a cigar smoker and a whiskey connoisseur. And the next one is he's up around Cartersville. That's my glide ride. Go check them out. I think that's Freedom on 2. I might have the name wrong, but if I don't, you know, they'll be down in the description, and then I'll tag them right up there. You know where I tag them at. You watch YouTube love to know where they come from, where to go, the tags and stuff. Woo! Feels good. We rode Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, we rode Tuesday of this week. It was nice. Then it turned off cold again, and it rained, and it's gonna be real cold tomorrow. Like I won't even get it out of the 30s tomorrow. And then that's all, folks. Well, folks. We are up here at Cartersville. It's warmed up to 48 degrees, 48.5, 48.9. There's the big bar and shield. Let's see what's going on. Social sting. Probably ain't many people here. You know, people don't like to ride when it's cold. I don't know. A lot of cars, a lot of bikes, a lot of used bikes. Where am I going? I'm going right here. Guess we can park up front. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. I'm gonna park right up here. Looks like a good place to park. Right here in the front door. They don't like it. Tough shit. Look at that one. Hello. Well, ain't much of a sting we did get. The ride challenge thing, the passport book. Every month you got to do a picture of yourself in the motorcycle. As like this time, January, it's bottled up. So I got that. They took it right there in the thing, and then I got to come back. You got to tag them, your picture on there, tag them. Yeah, something like that, posted on their page, tagging them or something like that. I'll look at the thing when I get home. That's what she told me. So I want to be a Harbor Freight influencer. I need to stop by Harbor Freight and check them out. Influence you to start shopping at Harbor Freight. There she is, Harbor Freight. Go in here and see what kind of parking lot. I don't see no parking lot. There's supposed to be a parking lot sale. Indoor parking lot. You get double the points or triple the points or something like that for using your Harbor Freight card. Yeah, here we are, leaving Harbor Freight. I didn't have to buy nothing but zip ties and staplers. So I have enough staplers at home. nitpicking stuff that really need nothing. But like I said, I want to be a Harbor Freight influencer. Influence you to shop at Harbor Freight, where you get quality tools at low prices. So we headed to the house. No lunch stop today. GoPro stop recording. So I don't know which way I'm going home. I guess I'm going this way. Ain't got much else to say. It's been a good day. Guess I could wait to get back closer to home and close it out then. I might find something to talk about. I don't know, probably not.